Boost your bath time with the Scudo Belini Chrome Deck-Mounted Bath Shower Mixer, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Made from high-quality brass, this stunning bath shower tap is not only functional, but also adds a bold statement of style to your bathroom. The sleek and elegant design, finished in top-notch chrome, adds a touch of sophistication to modern bathrooms. The lever handles ensure easy control, while the curved spout adds a unique touch of grace. This set also comes with a convenient handset, hose, and wall bracket, allowing you to enjoy an invigorating shower experience. These chrome taps have a bold, modern design and attention to detail that will transform your bath into a sanctuary of relaxation. Specifically designed for baths with 2 tap holes, the Scudo Belini is ideal for people who value quality craftsmanship and contemporary aesthetics. Upgrade your bathroom today and indulge yourself in the luxury you deserve with this exceptional deck-mounted bath shower mixer. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Belini range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.